How to use dopamine smartly. You have heard people say dopamine is bad. Social media kills your focus. But what if I told you that dopamine is not your enemy? In fact, it's the secret weapons of the most successful people on the planet. Today, you will learn how to use dopamine smartly to rewire your brain for success, focus, and happiness. Part 1. What is dopamine? Dopamine is not the pleasure chemical, it is actually the motivation molecules, the chemical that drives you to take action. When you scroll through Instagram or check notifications, your brain gets small dopamine hits. But when you set goals, work hard, and achieve real progress, that's deep dopamine, the kind that builds lasting satisfaction. Part 2. The dopamine trap. Most people are stuck in what scientists call the dopamine loop. They chase small, easy rewards like messages, short videos, but over time, this kills focus, discipline, and long term motivation. Your brain gets used to instant pleasure, and real effort feels boring. Part 3. The smart way to use dopamine. So, how do you use dopamine smartly? Here are three powerful steps. Control your triggers. Remove easy dopamine sources. Limit scrolling. Stop multitasking and avoid unnecessary notifications. Create a dopamine ladder. Replace bad triggers with good ones. Exercise, reading, learning, working on goals. Reward yourself only after productive tasks. Use the dopamine reset rule. Take one day each week to disconnect. No social media, no distractions. It rebalances your brain and boosts natural motivation. But for the real power of dopamine, when you master dopamine, you master your life. You stop chasing cheap players and start building real happiness. The kind that comes from progress, purpose, and peace. Your brain is the most powerful machine on earth. Use dopamine smartly and you will rewire your future. Subscribe to Beyond Rewired for more science based self improvement